I thought I would show you where Benita and I are at with our major digital project as of right now. Things have changed yet again, so we went from um, EduBlogs. No, wait, where did we start? I can't even remember anymore. But we were in Wikispaces for a while. We were in EduBlogs. Oh, Google Sites. And now we're back to EduBlogs again. Had a few late night conversations with Sue, which I suppose would have been early for her, late for me. And she helps to figure out some things here. So I'll show you the home page. Now, I wasn't entirely sure how to get just a static page, and I remember having seen a button somewhere that I could do it, but I couldn't figure it out when I was working on it. So I thought I would put this in as a post on the home page. Um, so we have our outcomes here, and you'll see that the place value, multiplication, and division are all clickable links that will take you to the different pages within the site. Alternatively, you can go up here and click on them. So I've worked in the division, so I'll show you that one. Now, the other cool thing that Sue suggested we check out was the blend space. And when I looked at it, it seems so user-friendly and so easy that I created one. So I'll just show you on here what it looks like on the site, and then I'll go into the blend space. So I put my instructions up here, work through the blend space lesson that follows, starting with box 1. Click on the icon in the upper right corner and complete the assigned task before moving on to the next box. Be sure to check in with your teacher as required. So now let's go into the actual blend space so you can see my lessons. Just comes up bigger and a little easier to show you here. So in the division lesson, everything that I have worked on is in here. So all the videos that we had, a worksheet in here. So within blend space, it's super easy to work because all you do is, I'll take you down to an empty one. You click on it. So here it says drop your resource or add text or add a quiz. So if I wanted to put in Division 3 Khan Academy videos, I could just do the YouTube search, and then all I have to do is click, drag, and drop, and it shows up here. And you'll see that these are all color coded, so they have links, they have videos, there are worksheets, and there are quizzes. Now this would actually be anything text. And then quizzes. And quizzes you create on your own right within this. It makes multiple choice quizzes. I was a little disappointed because the right answer is always the top one. And maybe there's a way to figure out how to change that. I have to research into that a little further. Also, something that I love about it is that they're super simple to switch around. So all you do is drag and drop, and there you go. So what I did was I previewed, I'm just going to get rid of this so I don't forget. I previewed all the resources that Benita and I had found, and then I put them in what seemed like logical order. I created a quiz on this one, found a worksheet here. So if we click on this worksheet, you'll see my instructions are over here. Print off this worksheet and complete, submit to your teacher for marking and feedback. And hopefully I actually put the, oh, there we go. And it was a Word document. And there we have it. Now I have a problem because this was not one that I actually created, but that I found, and I didn't get the link or the URL to be able to say where I found it. So I need to go back and look for that. But you can simply put those in and then have them print and do the work and submit to their teacher that way. Something else, if you click on these, you'll see that there is, oh, what did I do? Ay, ay, ay. Dun, da, da, da. There's instructions up here, and you get to put those in. And if you look on this edit here, so on this one it will say go through step by step, clicking next at the end of each slide. And so you put all your instructions, whatever you want the kids to know, in there, and it will come up on the side here when they are within the blend space. So it's really easy to get things in order, work through the progression, and then all that I did was embed it within our blog page. So it's fully functional within there. They can click and it will come up. And there we go. And they can just watch it right on the blog page. So that's where we're at right now. I just showed this tool to Benita this morning. So she is going to work on multiplication. We played around in there a little bit just to figure out how to work it. And then we will go through, because we did already have resources found for both multiplication and place value. So now we just need to get them all on there and create our assignments. And we can, in Blend Space, add, if you look over here, you can add Drive documents. So we can work within Google Drive and put those in. You can add all sorts of different types of files on here. So it's really amazing. I don't know why I didn't know about it sooner. Anyway, that's where we are at right now. So hope that gives you a better idea. We feel like we're finally on solid ground.